Here's how to make chili powder. You take your chilies like this, you cut the tops off, you take the seeds out till they look like this, then you put them in a pan over here and you chop them up with scissors till they look like that. Then you take a plate of kosher salt, oregano, and cumin powder or seeds, either one, and you sprinkle that around on there. And don't forget the splintered garlic. Then, with a light smoke and medium heat, you put this on the grill for about 10 or 15 minutes just to kind of warm all that up. Got a little bit of smoke on there. All right, it's been a few minutes. Let's check on it here. Ah, that looks good. Oh, my goodness. Oh, man, that already smells so good. Oh, yeah. I think that's ready. Now you're going to bring that over and let that cool off in the shade a little bit before you bring it in the house. Then you get out your blender with your stainless jar and you put not all, you put it in there a little bit at a time, grinding and cooling, because this is going to get hot. After several minutes, you'll get a little cone going in there. As I was saying, after several minutes, you get enough in there that it will start to circulate around like a little tornado in there. Again, watch the heat. Don't get this too hot. Now, during the process, if this starts getting kind of hot, which it's gonna get hot, you don't want it to get too hot because it'll cake into the bottom. See how it's getting all caked in there? You're gonna take your bamboo skewer and you're gonna reach down in there and you're gonna break all that loose and dump that out so that you can cool the whole jar down. If you let that get too hot and get all caked up down to the bottom, it kind of turns to a liquid and gets really sticky, and you're going to have a problem getting it out of there, and it's going to kind of burn it and scorch it. So you got to, like I said, keep the temperature down, watch it as you're going. This is a good first grind. We still got some more to get in there, and probably take about 3 or 4 grinds like this, but that's coming along really nicely. The salt helps with the grinding action too. You might want to add a little bit of extra salt in there too. We're going to let this cool down, then we're going to go for another grind. And oh my, this smells so good. Your whole house is going to smell like a chili factory. But oh man, it smells so good. Oh, wow. You will never taste chili powder like this from a store, ever. So there you go. You do that 3 or 4 or 5 times and you'll have chili powder, just like that.